Here's one of the advantages of having a small car in a big city that's congested. Parking is a problem. You have overhead garages that have limited height. On a van or a truck or an SUV, those boxes that we have on here, I could have boxes, I could have a unit, and I could have stuff stacked high, and I could fit in and under a parking garage that has a 7-foot height level or 7'6" height level. You cannot do that on an SUV, a pickup, or a van. Downtown San Francisco, finding parking, I could get parking with this little 12-foot car in a congested area where it takes guys 45 minutes to look for parking, or they get towed, or they get $400 or $500 tickets. And if they get towed, it's another $400, $500 just to pick up your car in San Francisco. And that is the advantage of having a small vehicle. And if I want to carry more and somebody says with a pickup they could carry more than me, I have my tow hitch on the back, and I could put a 5x9 on the back, and I could carry another 2,000 pounds. And that's the advantage of a little car.